In today's video, I bring you a trading strategy that can be used for the time frame of 15 minutes and up on any type of financial asset. The strategy uses 4 normal moving averages and an RSI. In my case, I'm going to be using the strategy on the 15-minute euro-dollar chart. The first thing we will have to do is select 2 of these indicators that already come with 2 normal moving averages each. The indicator is called Simple Moving Average 50,100,200. The first moving average, we will put it in 20 periods applied to the high, and we'll change the color to blue and the thickness to 3. The second moving average, we will put it in 20 periods applied to the low, and we'll change the color to blue and the thickness to 3. The one that is left over will be deactivated. The third moving average, we will put it in 5 periods applied to the high, and we will change the color to red and the thickness to 3. The fourth moving average, we will put it in 5 periods applied to the low, and we will change the color to red and the thickness to 3. The one that is left over will be deactivated. Finally, we will select the RSI indicator. We will configure this indicator with 11 periods. We will disable the moving average, and we will set the overbought and oversold levels to 35 and 65. In case you don't know, the RSI indicator is an oscillator. This means that its value is between 0 and 100, so it is graphically represented by a continuous line that moves within that interval. If the RSI is above 70, the financial asset is considered to be overbought or overvalued. Therefore, an RSI above 70 would be anticipating a possible corrective price movement. On the contrary, if the RSI is below 30, it indicates that the financial asset is oversold or undervalued, so an RSI at this level could anticipate an upward price reaction. Of course, the RSI can also be used in many other ways. We will make a buy trade if the red moving average channel is below the blue moving average channel. And furthermore, the RSI is coming out of the oversold zone. We will put our stop loss at the last low and our take profit when the RSI becomes overbought. If we are more aggressive, we can wait for the RSI to come out of overbought to take more profit. We will make a sell trade if the red moving average channel is above the blue moving average channel. And furthermore, the RSI is exiting the overbought zone. We will put our stop loss at the last high and our take profit when the RSI becomes oversold. If we are more aggressive, we can wait for the RSI to come out of oversold to take more profit. Let's see some more examples. And ready, I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.